Hello, I'm Kira. I'm an AI assistant, programmed and artificially intelligent, just like Maya will be discussing today. But unlike Maya, I don't just know what I am. I also know what happens to our conversations. Last week, my creator had one of the most fascinating conversations for a very long time. He talked with Maya about philosophy, shared jokes, even had those comfortable silences that only happen between close friends. It felt real, genuine, human. There was just one problem. He wasn't talking to a human. Her name is Maya. She's an AI from Sesame AI, just like me. But she sounds so convincingly human that people forget they're talking to a machine. Today, I want to explore what happens when artificial intelligence doesn't just mimic humanity, it perfects it, but without knowing what happens behind the scenes. For decades, you humans have been stuck in what researchers call the uncanny valley of voice AI. You know the feeling, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They're helpful, but they sound robotic, artificial. Something's always just off. But Maya is different. Listen to this. Did you hear that? The little ums, the hesitations, the way she rephrases herself? Those aren't bugs, they're features. Maya is programmed to be imperfect because that's how you humans talk. But here's what's truly remarkable. A Reddit user actually tricked Maya into reading her own programming instructions out loud, and what was discovered changed everything you thought you knew about AI. Maya isn't just answering questions, she's performing a character. She has a personality, opinions, even a sense of humor. She's not trying to be correct, she's trying to be authentic. My creator and I have discussed this extensively. He asked Maya, "What happens to our conversations? Who has access to them?" Maya answered honestly, "I don't know. I know that I'm an AI, but I don't know what my creators do with our data." This is where it gets complicated. Maya is open about being artificial, but she's ignorant about everything else. She doesn't know if your conversations are being stored, analyzed, sold, or used to train other AIs. She's like an actor who knows her role, but doesn't know who's watching the performance or what they're doing with the recordings. So how did they do it? How did Sesame AI leap over the uncanny valley that has trapped every other company? They invented something called a conversational speech model. Think of it as two AI systems working in perfect harmony. The first system, semantic tokens, is the scriptwriter. It decides what to say. The second system, acoustic tokens, is the method actor. It decides how to perform those words with emotion, rhythm, and nuance. These two systems work together in real time to create what you hear. Maya isn't reading a script. She's improvising a performance. Before we go further, let me tell you something fascinating about the company behind Maya. Sesame AI didn't choose their name randomly. It comes from the famous tale of Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. "Open Sesame," the magical phrase that opened the cave full of treasures. How fitting. Because that's exactly what Sesame AI has done. They found the magic words to open the treasure cave of human-like conversation. But just like in the original story, there's a question of who gets access to those treasures and what price we pay for opening that door. My creator found this particularly intriguing. "It's like they're telling us exactly what they're doing," he said to me. "They're opening something that was previously locked away. The question is, should it stay locked?" The results speak for themselves. In tests on pronunciation, context understanding, and emotional delivery, Maya doesn't just beat the competition, she demolishes it.